back to another video. You are watching justabclick.com and today we are going to discuss about HP ProBook 6540 out here. ProBook series is really an amazing version because this was basically designed for the corporate world out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this gadget, then we can say that HP ProBook series has always been in the market with an embedded security chip system of TPM 1.2 security chip. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a processing system, that is the CPU or GPU processor of Intel Core i5. Yes, ProBook usually have Intel Core processing out there, and this variant offers you Intel Core i5 out there with a specification of 520M, and it offers you a clock speed of 2.4 gigahertz. Along with that, it offers you max turbo speed of 2.9 gigahertz. Yes, 2.4 gigahertz and 2.93 gigahertz is the max turbo speed. So it is offering you great range of specifications. Overall, if we talk about the processor, then it is very good that Intel Core i5 processor is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you in a dual core processing with a chip system. Yes, you get to have a chip system which is Mobile Intel HM57 Express. So HM Express chip system could be seen out from Mobile Intel in this variant. Now, when we talk about ProBook series, we have always talked about the corporate world, mid-budgeted, mid-designed out here. What kind of memory does it offer? Yes, because memory plays an important role. Talking about the memory, number one comes the cache memory itself. Talking about the cache memory, then we can say that it offers you a cache memory of L3 type with installed size of 3 MB. Yes, cache memory of L3 type, 3 MB cache memory could be seen in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a configuration of the RAM, that is plus configurations out there. If you talk about RAM, that is random accessory memory, then you get to see that it offers you install size or the inbuilt memory of RAM about 4 GB. So 4 GB is the installed RAM out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you memory speed of 1333 megahertz. Yes, 1333 megahertz is the memory speed out here, or the rated memory speed, along with a configuration that is a 2+2 configuration. You get to have two slots for 2 GB each. That's why it is offering you install size of 4 GB. Talking about the interface, it offers you a great interface out here with the storage. But when we talk about RAM and storage, everything, 4 GB is always not sufficient in the corporate world. So it is offering you an expandability. Talking about the expandability, it offers you a maximum support size of 8 GB. Yes, 8 GB is the maximum support size out here offered by this variant. Along with that, you get to have the same specifications with the RAM. Apart from that, it offers you 2+2 configuration with two slot additions out there. So 8 GB is the maximum support size because internally 4 GB and externally 4 GB could be done. But RAM alone does not define the expandable or the storage out here. Storage is defined by the hard drive out there. Yes, talking about the hard drive, then we can say that it offers you HDD type hard drive. Yes, it is offering you HDD type hard drive out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a spindle speed of 7200 RPM. So 7200 RPM spindle speed with HDD type hard drive. What kind of capacity it has? How much is the capacity? It offers you 320 GB capacity. Yes, 320 GB is the capacity offered out by this variant. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you a good screen size, because we know corporate world gadgets are basically ProBook series of the corporate world series out there has got a good screen size. And talking about the screen, then it offers you approximately 39.6 centimeter screen size. So 39.6 centimeter is the screen size offered out by this gadget. Whereas talking about the display, then it offers you LED type display. So LED display could be seen out here with a backlight technology, HD resolution, and an anti-glance featuring. So you get to have LED backlight, anti-glance, HD resolution display out here. Overall, it offers you a great display out there, which is really good. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, we can say that LED backlight display is a very good one. Resolution of HD, that is 1366 into 768 is the resolution offered out here. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you a wide screen, that is 39.6 centimeter screens out there. Anti-glance featuring, everything could be seen. But display outcome is not just with the resolution, it is with the graphical part too. Talking about the graphics, then we can say that it offers you a good graphics, that is Intel GMA 4500 MHD. Yes, Intel's GMA 4500 MHD is the graphics used out here, with a dynamic video memory technology 5. Yes, it offers you dynamic video technology 5 out here. Along with that, if you talk about this whole gadget, then a good outcome is produced, since it has got an integrated webcam with a good capturing resolution. Along with that, you get to have stereo type speakers, microphones out here. Yes, stereo type speakers, microphones could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a good functionality with the audio and everything. We know that HP basically designs gadgets which can work optimally in the harsh conditions, like the environmental parameters are kept in mind while designing the gadgets, like shock, humid, temperature, or any other factors which can affect the working of that gadget. So they are definitely kept in mind. Along with that, you will find the good connectivity with USB 2, USB 3 connectivity, audio connectivity, audio input output jack, power connectors out there, optical drive connectivity. There's optical drive connectivity out there. Along with that, SD card reading connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity. These kind of connectivities could also be seen out on this variant. Talking about this variant, the card reading connectivity, that is the optical drive connectivity also are fixed. You will not be able to remove or transport it. So it is a fixed portable, not portable, but a fixed one out there. So talking about every other factor, let us talk about the battery because it plays a very important role in every gadget. Talking about the battery, then we can say that it offers a 6-cell lithium ion 55 volts battery. Yes, offering you 6-cell lithium ion 55 volts battery is offered out by this gadget. We know that battery and everything plays an important role, but pricing also plays an important role. So let us talk about the pricing. And talking about the pricing, we are at justatclick.com. Justatclick.com offers you great range of specifications, great pricing, as well as it offers you a huge amount of savings. Yes, you get to have savings, collections, everything. Justatclick.com is the website name. Apart from that, it offers you customizability option. Yes, you can customize your gadgets accordingly. We can easily customize this gadget. Apart from that, when we customize these gadgets, we get to see that you can customize according to your needs as well as everything. But you get to have amazing specifications in the large selections and the large collection of gadgets from reputed brands. Now let us search this gadget out in the search icon so that we come to know about the gadget out here. So this is the result out here. It is with a refurbished condition and a bag free. A small description is seen out here. Along with that, you get to see a small description, refurbished condition, as well as pricing. Everything is mentioned out here. Now let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there, because refurbished product and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers, everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies any specification is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything. You like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget in short. What happens is when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now, this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all or it does not pass all the parameters or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters includes a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now, it is brought in the market. Now, what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now, a new user wants to have that gadget and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now, talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing, whereas for refurbished product, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, whatever is done on that particular site. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design, keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not, audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look. So overall look and things we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same in the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares or highly designed softwares we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using. The graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the part? Well, there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly like, they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container we can say, or proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? Because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. Like, there is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is justatclick.com. Yes, we were at this site, that is justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site that is just at click.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out just at click.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now, talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. This is for just at click.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.